Today I will tell you how you can make up $250 daily with an app called webull. Webull is a trading platform founded in 2017 that resembles Robinhood. Webull is owned by the Chinese holding company Fumi Technology. It allows users to buy and sell various investments, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu coin. The fantastic thing is that webull will not charge you commission fees for any trading. This includes buying and selling cryptos like Bitcoin and options trading. Primary US market data is free on webull, and the trading platform offers more in-depth market data that you can subscribe to for $1.99 a month. With a subscription, you can better determine the availability or demand for stock at a specific price. I will tell you how to open a webull account to make money online. I will also tell you how you can make money on webull. So keep watching until the end. But before I tell you how to open an account on webull, subscribe to the channel to learn more unique ways to earn money online. Like and share the video so other people can also benefit from it. So, to open an account on webull, you must be 18 years old and have a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. When you apply to open an account, webull will run a soft inquiry on your credit history. Don't worry, that will not affect your credit score. You can open an account via webull's website or by downloading the webull app. You must decide between a cash or margin account to open an individual account. Remember that webull users must fill out an application before buying and selling crypto or participating in options trading. You can also choose an individual retirement account. Now, I will tell you how to invest with webull and get free stocks. Webull offers free stocks via promotions. For example, in June, users were offered one free stock just for opening a webull brokerage account, and another free stock for making an initial deposit of $100 or more. Isn't that impressive? On webull, you can place orders and check your positions on a mobile app. You can also do these activities on a customizable webull desktop platform. Like many other stock trading platforms, you can also create a watch list. The watch list is to keep track of how stocks and funds which you are interested in are doing. You can also see the top winners and losers of the day to gain some insight and experience. Webull also offers lots of real-time data on individual stocks and funds. These include recent news stories, past performance, analyst recommendations, and financials like revenue and debt. All of these may be overwhelming to someone new to investing, but it is helpful in your investing journey. If you are a beginner, you can practice making trades via webull's paper trading feature. What is paper trading? Paper trading is a way to simulate buying and selling securities without actually using real money. How cool! Some pros of choosing webull are: webull has a robust mobile app with an excellent user interface for an optimum trading experience. There are no minimum deposits or platform fees. You get the opportunity of paper trading. Webull offers 2 free stocks to new account holders. You get access to traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs. You also get access to 11 different cryptocurrencies to trade. And the active webull community facilitates connection and discussion among users for a better trading experience. Since there are many offers within the webull app and multiple ways to potentially make money with webull, I will explain some of them to you, so it is easy for you to decide. Number 1. Get your 2 free stocks first. Your first move after making an account on webull is to grab your 2 free stocks. After signing up, you can get 2 free fractional shares, each valued up to $300. If you deposit any amount, you can receive 4 to 10 free fractional shares, each valued at up to $3,000. How awesome! The value of the free stocks often changes, so check out the webull free stock promotion to see the most current offer when you make your account. Number 2. Do paper trade. One of the only commission-free trading apps available today is webull, which offers a built-in trading simulator. This may not seem like a big deal to you, but countless people lose money yearly based on incorrect execution within their brokerage account. Imagine you are trying to sell a stock but accidentally double down. You get the concept. So using the free trading simulator allows you to practice using the app and invest $1 million of pretend money. Isn't that impressive? Number 3. You can do something called Asset appreciation. The strategy of buy low, sell high is recommended by the most significant investors, such as Warren Buffett. For example, you buy 10 shares of a stock for $25 each, and then, after a few years, the stock is trading at $50 a share. You initially paid $250 for your shares, but now they are worth $500. If you sell them now, you have doubled your money. But remember, the key to doing well with a strategy like this is deciding what to invest in at the right time. Nonetheless, if you hold the right stocks and the market is in your favor, you can definitely make some good money selling assets for more than what you paid for them before. Number 4. Option number 4 is dividends. You can invest for income by purchasing the dividend payers rather than investing for growth. There are often more well-established companies with less growth potential and a long track record of success. There are also dividend growth stocks, which give you a mix of income potential through capital gains and dividends. So when you earn dividends, you have two choices regarding what to do with them. Either you can cash them out, move that money to your bank, or reinvest them into additional shares. However, option number 2 allows you to earn compound interest. So many people do this with their dividend payments. Number 5. You can do crypto investing. Webull has recently added a limited selection of cryptocurrencies to its platform. As crypto is a non-yield bearing asset, the only way to make money is through asset appreciation. If you hit the right spot, you can make money trading cryptocurrencies on Webull by buying low and selling high. Number 6. IPO access. You can access IPOs or initial public offerings after signing up through the Webull app. In the past, only large institutional investors who are willing to purchase thousands of shares got in on IPOs. Webull encourages retail investors to get into IPOs, even just purchasing a few shares. But make sure to thoroughly research any company before investing in it to maximize the risk factor. Number 7. Options trading. Webull offers options trading if you want to add more risk or reward potential to your portfolio. While it is very well possible to make money through trading options, the vast majority lose money. With options trading, a 100% investment loss is prevalent if you don't make it carefully. But if you make a lousy investment as an equity holder instead, you still own shares at a very least, which do not expire. If you become one of the lucky individuals who do well with options trading, it is possible to make excellent money in this way on the Webull platform. So this was all about making up to $250 per day with Webull. So save your time and sign up for Webull now. Like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on how to make money online in new ways. Until next time, have a good one.